Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the tutorial series on how to create my own AI chatbot slash agent. In the previous video, we talked about how to brainstorm with your ChatGPT friend so that you don't lose your head. um, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Python as the first step and how to actually set it up so that cursor can use it. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So basically, to download Python, you go to python.org. You find the version that you want, either for Windows or for Mac. Well, I have Windows, so I will download uh, 3.13.6. Now, I have it, so I'm not gonna download it. Okay, so yeah, I didn't have to download it because I already have it, but I'm gonna show you how to set it up anyway. So if you find it in your folder, you open the wizard and you press install. Mine is installed already, and basically you just press next, next, next until it installs everything. But if you find a box that says uh, add to path, you have to click it, like, because let's say python pip blah, 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 next, add python to environment variables. The reason for this is so that your cursor can see your Python. Otherwise, you won't be able to actually, yes. Otherwise, you won't be able to actually use Python on the cursor. So, yeah, that's how you download Python. I'm sure you know. It's an easy thing. So, yeah, this is how you download Python, and I'll see you on the next video, which is how to download Cursor and install it. Yeah. Adios.